Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Adobe Lightroom. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for adobe.com. After that, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the Creativity and Design feature at the top and then select Lightroom from under the product's header. Now on this page, click on the blue Buy Now button and all of the available plans will start appearing on your screen. You just need to choose the target plan and then click on the Select button to get to the next step. After that, choose a payment method from the pop-up, click on Continue, and then a bunch of additional offers will be displayed. You can just skip them and click on the Continue button. Then you will be prompted to enter your email address. Simply enter it and then complete the payment to buy Adobe Lightroom. So that's basically how you can buy Adobe Lightroom. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.